Malacanang says the Senate is refusing to take responsibility when it voted to archive the impeachment case against VP Sara Duterte. As Ivy Reyes tells us, the palace press officer also clarifies the case isn't dead.
With the Senate voting to archive the articles of impeachment against Vice President Sara Duterte, the palace's spokesperson questions the need to do so. In a vlog released Wednesday night, Palace Press Officer Claire Castro, as a lawyer herself, thinks senator judges are hiding behind the Supreme Court's decision.
Tingin ko lang, itong mga senador na to, feeling ko lang to ha, gusto talaga nilang i-dismiss, pero nagtatago ngayon sila sa decision ng Supreme Court. Di ba para bang hugas kamay? Kasi ang sabi ng Supreme Court, walang jurisdiction eh. Nakatakas ang Senado sa judgment ng mga tao na sila ang pumatay sa impeachment. Kasi ang tinuturo nila Supreme Court.
The impeachment case isn't dead, but is set aside, Castro explained. As a legal expert, she added that archiving the case is not the only recourse, as all parties are still ordered to comment and a motion for reconsideration remains on the table, which means the High Court's decision is not final yet. She asked why the rush.
You can also show respect by not making any action, saying na let's wait for the decision, final decision of the Supreme Court. And then kapag naging final na ito at sinabi talaga no jurisdiction, then we cannot do anything but to abide by the law or to abide by the proceedings or decision of the Supreme Court. Yun lang. Ba't kailangan i-archive?
The palace spokes also has something to say about the Senate President.
Okay, basang-basa mo naman si SP Cheese. Since day one din, basang-basa na ba?
While the Supreme Court will not declare the case moot and academic, according to Castro, the question now is whether the majority will vote to revive the trial or not. Castro said that with some of the senator judges, like Senators Bato de la Rosa and Amy Marcos, openly favoring the vice president, this question lingers. Ivy Reyes, Billionaire News Channel.